Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add chapters in videos on YouTube platform. So guys, a new feature of YouTube allow you to add chapters on your video, and like if you're making a tutorial video, so it will allow you to create different chapters in which you are describing, you will describe a different steps of the tutorial. So that will definitely help you and will make definitely it will allow you to attract more viewers on your videos. So how will you do that? So first of all guys, we have to go to YouTube, and now from where we have to choose the right account where you want to add chapters. So once you select the account, now we have to go to the studio of your account. So first of all, make sure that you are using the right account, and now you have to go to studio.youtube.com. so make sure you are using the Chrome browser, and now once you reach the Chrome browser, now you have to select the video that you where you want to add the chapters. So like I'm going to use some, I'm going to select one of the video. So just click on the video that where you want to add the chapters. So this is my chapter solutions. So where I've just solving several questions. So it will create a chapters of each questions. So what do you have to do? First of all, let me go back and again open the video. So I didn't explain what I have done. So when you scroll, there will be option show more. Just click on it and it will expand more options. So when you see, you will see one more option that I have never noticed before. So now what you have to do, you have to select this automatic chapters, and next to it there is a check button. So just check this option, but there is a typo. So chapters and key moments make your video easier to watch, and you can override automatic suggestion by creating your own chapters in video description. So chapter is basically the timeline we usually add. So suppose if you want to add timeline, you can add timeline accordingly. You can you can add manual chapter according to your video. But if you do not want to do that, just check the option. It will create automatic chapter on your video by analyzing your video. And when you done with the video, and so it will create a chapters of key moments. Or so if you want to do manually, you can do it manually in description. Like let me tell you how to do that. So if you are not aware, so I usually do by manual method, but if you want to do automatic and want to reduce your effort, then you can do by just use timestamp, and after that you can start with 0 second 00. So 0 and 00, so we'll start with the 0 time, and now you can start write the introduction. Fine. Now we'll start the timeline. So you have to analyze your video where from where your key, where are the key moments in your video. Suppose on 35 second, I have to use 0 as well. So where is the timeline? So you can do, if you are using laptop, you can do it very more easily. And if you are using when you are uploading the video, you can do it that time. You don't have to edit a video after uploading. So I usually do when I upload, but this is my different channel, and I think, or after this you can write the like this on 35 second. There is my first question that I have been solving. So this is my education education channel, and now I'm going to use since on 1 minute and 20 second there is second question. So I can create similarly different chapters in my video. So like suppose at 2 minutes and 30 seconds there is third question. I'm just writing as just it is not the fact actually. In this video there is only one question, but I just wanted to give you some explanation how can you create a manual chapters. But if you don't want to do that, the YouTube team or the YouTube algorithm will run an analyze on your video, and it will create a key moments, chapters of a key moments on your video, or it will make or it will add automatic chapters on your video when some viewers will play your video. So you don't have to do that manually, but I like to do manually because it is as per my choice, because it will allow, because you can't match the machine or machine cannot match your mind, and sometimes a machine can skip some key moments or so that moments you can add by yourself. So it is better to do with yourself. But if you do not want to do, you can check this option, automatic chapters, and yeah, that's how you can add. I hope you like it. And you must have seen that chapters on various video. So that's why that's how they use automatic chapters options in YouTube Studio. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you like it, and if you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion, just let me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.